Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to do a sponsored ads on Instagram. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to want to go to the three dots right here, or the three horizontal lines under your profile. Go to the top right and tap on it. Now go ahead and look for the section for professionals. All right. In here, go ahead and tap on business tools and controls. Tap on it, then go ahead and scroll down and look for switch account type. Make sure that you are under the creator account. Okay. Yours might say a business account right here or professional account. Just go ahead and use that. And once done, close the app like so. Close it, close everything. Then go back to the Instagram app once more, just for it to refresh. Then go back to your profile. Okay. And here you can now just go ahead and tap on a post and go ahead and tap on boost post. Okay. Tap on it. If you have a Facebook ad account, go ahead and select it. If not, you can use this option below. Tap on continue. Now to ask you what do you want people to do when they see your ad, you can go ahead and select visit your profile. Okay, visit your website, or go ahead and straight up message you, for example. Okay, done. Next, audience right here. If you have special requirements, go ahead and tap on the drop down. You can go ahead and tick on whatever is necessary. Hit on done. Next, now in this section, you will go ahead and to allocate a budget for your ad. All right, set up your budget right here. For example, $10 a day. And you can just go ahead and leave it to run daily, or you can go ahead and set a duration right here. For example, just 1 day. Okay, 1 day or 3 days, just like that. Use the slider. Okay, and for a day, for $10, you'll get 7,700 to about 20,000 reach. Okay, once you're happy with it, just hit on next. And once done, you'll go ahead and add your payment method right here. Tap on add, select the country and region, currency, time zone, hit on next. Then here you'll add your payment method. Okay, for example, your credit or debit card or your PayPal. Select one, hit on next. And once done, just tap on boost post and you're good to go. All right, if you want to, you can go ahead and preview your ad right here. For example, add a feed. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, people are just going to tap on this button right here, and as you can see, it is now sponsored. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.